In this video, we are going to derive the distance formula, and this video is going to be very helpful for both class 9th and class 10th. So here in this graph, we have 2 points, point A and point B, and their respective coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. So here our aim is to derive a formula so that we can get the length of the line segment AB. So let's start the derivation. As this is point x1, y1 and this is point x2, y2, so this distance from origin is x1 and this distance from origin is x2. Similarly, on the y-axis, this distance from the origin is y1 and this distance from the origin is y2. So let's write down all the information which are already provided to us. Now OE is x2 and OD is x1. So this distance DE will be given by x2 minus x1. Now OE is x2 and OD is x1. So DE will be given by x2 minus x1. Now similarly, as OF is equal to y1 and OG is equal to y2, so FG will be given by y2 minus y1. Now from the graph, we can clearly see that DE is equal to AC and FG is equal to BC. Now let's focus on this triangle ABC. So what is happening now? Our BC is y2 minus y1 and AC is x2 minus x1. So let's write down all those things. Now in triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree. So we can clearly apply Pythagoras theorem in this. So AB square will be given by BC square plus AC square. So let's try to find out the value of AB square from there. So AB square is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let's remove the square from here. We will get AB is equal to whole root of this entire thing. So here is the derivation of the distance formula where the line segment joining 2 points A and B is given by the whole root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I am giving you 2 seconds to take the screenshot of this so that it can help you in your exams. And thank you so much for watching this video. For more such educational videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel.